The OMAX M83EZ-C02 Digital Microscope provides a very wide magnification range from low-power scanning to detailed high-power work, making it suitable for both classroom and serious laboratory use. Its trinocular head allows you to connect the included digital camera while still keeping two eyepieces free, which is excellent for sharing views and documenting specimens. The integrated light-emitting diode illumination and Abbe condenser give bright, even lighting across the field, so fine structures remain clear at higher powers. A double-layer mechanical stage with precise controls makes it easy to move slides smoothly and return to points of interest without losing focus. Coaxial, coarse, and fine focus knobs are responsive and stable, helping users dial in sharp images quickly without constant readjustment. The solid metal frame and well-thought-out ergonomics give the microscope a durable, professional feel that holds up well to frequent use by students and researchers.